Hey there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinaza. On my channel we talk about all things lifestyle, fashion, beauty, content creation tips, and so much more. So guys, as the title suggests, I am so excited to bring y'all this video. It's been a long time coming, and yeah, I'm super excited to be in Houston, to be in a new city and just this new space. And of course, y'all know I had to hit you with the tour. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, so when you first walk in, what I really love about this apartment especially is this grand corridor. As you can see, there's a door to the right here, a door to the left there, but then there's this long hallway that leads you down into the main living area. But we're not gonna go ahead and go there yet. Let me show you what was behind the first door when you walk in. So right here we have my guest bathroom. Let me go ahead and get the light. Yes, so this is the guest bathroom area. I do have a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment, and loving the light fixtures here. Long mirror, and then we have granite and silver fixtures. Then as you can see here, lots of storage space. We have some pull-out drawers. As you can see, lots of space. And then obviously the under-counter storage as well. The toilet over here. And then we also have another door, but this is just like the linen closet in the bathroom, which has a decent amount of space as well. And then we move over to the shower, which I really like the stone tiles that are there. As you can see, there's the shower. And what's also great is that this apartment came in with built-in rails, so I really like that. And then it also has this for hanging like your washcloths, different things like that. And here is the tub in its full glory. And then leading out from the bathroom, we have my second bedroom, which I'm going to be using as like a studio space. As you guys can see, I already have some clothes from my last shoot day just kind of chilling there, but I think that this is where that rack will be laid permanently. But yeah, this room is a decent size. It has a fan, because y'all know Texas be hot. And let me just show you the amount of space. Definitely a good amount of space, and hold on. We're not wasting no electricity in this house, so let me get the light. But yeah, I love the amount of natural sunlight that comes into this room, so it's just really able to stay bright. Love that I won't always have to be using my equipment in here. And then one of the big perks is that this room also has a walk-in closet that is not so empty right now, because that's kind of where I've been storing all of my like gear and just random stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys how much space is really in this closet. It's definitely a good amount, being that it's not even going to be the closet with my clothes in it. Yeah. And then we have this whole other corner. So this will be really helpful, and when I do have my lights fully set up and everything, if I don't want them out in the room, I can just go ahead and put them into this closet. Oh, gotta hit the light. So as we exit this room, let's go ahead and head back up the corridor. And this other room here is where we have our laundry unit. So this apartment does come in with a built-in washer and dryer unit. They're both pretty big, so big enough to fit like, you know, a good size load of laundry. So super excited about that. That was definitely one of my main selling points on this place as well, because some places you would think it came with this, but it didn't. Then there's this little area for me to be able to put like detergent, fabric softener, all that good stuff. I'm gonna get some more, y'all, but this is what I have for now. So go ahead and close that area. So moving on, there is one more door left in this corridor that I haven't shown you yet, and that is basically the linen closet. Right now I'm just kind of keeping like random things in there. But yeah, as you can see, I have my broom in here. It's definitely a decent sized space, so this will be like a coat closet slash where guests can like put their shoes, different things like that. So I'm super excited about all this storage space. Now let's go ahead and move into the master bedroom, also known as my bedroom, which, by the way, guys, is literally huge. Like, I've never had a room this big in my life, so I'm super grateful. As you can see, even that whole space is honestly big enough to be its own room. But you come around the corner and we have all this space. Literally all that I have and all that I've been sleeping on is this air mattress, but it's been doing me good. So shout out to Intex is the name of it. It's a really good air mattress. But anyways, that's besides the point, guys. So as you can see, there's lots of natural light coming into this room as well. And what I love is that it's kind of being backlit, so it's not too intense. So I'm able to kind of like, you know, wake up and not have the sun too bright in my face. But I really like the size of this room. And then over to this way, before we go ahead and get to the bathroom, we have my closet, which I did go ahead and set up over the weekend because I could not find anything to wear. But let me go ahead and show you guys all the space because, baby. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and filled up the closet, but there is still so much more storage space here, which I love because y'all know I'm already speaking abundance, speaking blessings. The campaign's gonna be coming in, okay? The clothes gonna be coming in. So we have all this storage space. I can literally walk around here, fit my whole body in here, and still have more room. As you can see, there's not too much over on this side, so I have all this space to fill, all that space to fill, all this space. You get the point. It's a big closet, so really love that for me. And this bedroom also has a fan, so I like that as well. Then let's go ahead and move into the bathroom, which I love how it also connects to the room. Super convenient. So here is the kind of same setup with the lights, the mirror, and the different thing about this bathroom is that it has 2 counters, which I really like. Even though I live by myself, I feel like it's nice, especially if I'm doing my makeup, to kind of have like the makeup off to the side and be able to like wash my hands and stuff there and then do something else in the other sink. But then we have lots of storage space here as well. And then the toilet is kind of perched off to the corner in this bathroom, which I also like. It kind of makes it be its own little area. And then y'all, this is one of my major things that I love about this bathroom is this arch that's at the top. It just gives it a super luxe feel. And then I also love the size of this tub. So this tub is deeper and like a different shape than the other one. So they said this is called a garden tub, and y'all, I've already taken a bath in here and like there's literally so much room for me to move around. And yeah, I just really like the size, I really like the shape, and can't wait to be using this more and more. Y'all already know bath content is about to be coming too. And then we have a linen closet in here, of course, which is extremely messy because I just kind of stuffed what was already out into there. But as you guys can see, it is a good amount of space to hold all of my items. And I clearly still have some unpacking to do. So stay tuned because in the next few videos that will be looking way more nice. So now let's head into one of my favorite parts of my apartment, which is what you see on the thumbnail, and that is this living area. So basically this is my living room slash dining room slash kitchen. And let me just show you guys from this angle, because what is it giving, or is it giving? Like, I'm actually obsessed. So let's go ahead and take a walk over here. As you can see, I have the double sinks and I really, really like that. I feel like I like to wash and then rinse. So it's nice to be able to wash, put it on one side, and then rinse and put it on the other side. I really love these light fixtures too because it just helps it look even nicer, especially when it comes to nighttime. And it just gives it that glam, like luxe luxury feeling. Here is my fridge, and y'all, your girl has an ice maker. I feel like I was so hyped when I found out that I was gonna have an ice maker. Like, you can't even tell me nothing now because what? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you inside the fridge, only because I actually just recently got groceries and I'm pretty proud of myself. Like, look at me, y'all. being all organized and whatnot. So yeah, here's just a sample of my groceries because it's only been a little bit over a week that I've been here. And I feel like I'm doing good. So there is the groceries that I have so far and all that good stuff. But I really love having a double door fridge. I feel like it just makes it way more easier to organize, and you definitely have a lot more storage space. And then I just have a few things over in my freezer. I'm loving all the cabinet space that this kitchen has to offer. And really it's the fixtures for me because I'm loving like the granite mixed with the wood, stainless steel appliances, all that jazz. So here is the microwave and the oven. And then we have a dishwasher, which I will fully be using, y'all, because listen, can't be washing plates every day. And then something that I really like about this kitchen as well is this area right here. You guys, if you watch my past videos, know that that is actually my chair from my old room back in Ohio. So that did not come with the apartment or anything. So I'm just using it here for right now. But basically this area has been used as like a place where I can just, you know, be on my laptop for the time being. And just in general, it's really nice to kind of have this. Maybe I can put like mail there, or that can just kind of be like a little setup where I can just get work done if I don't feel like being in my studio space once it's actually set up. So yeah, I really like how that was included. And then I love how I have something like this to be able to just open, and then just so much storage space. So when I have all those extra appliances and different things like that, of course, it's going to be easy to find somewhere to store things. And then over here is where my dining area will be. So I'm thinking of doing like a small little dining table, maybe one of those circular ones. Of course, we're going to have some bar stools over here. And then this area will be the primary living area. So I'm already seeing like a couch here. I'm seeing like a TV over here, all that good stuff. Of course, I got my Wi-Fi set up. But then guys, the last place that I want to show you guys is the patio slash balcony, because what? Y'all, look at all this space. Like, it's enough space out here for definitely like one of those outdoor couches. Like it can be out in the corner, it can be facing that side. So yeah guys, I'm really excited about this space, and honestly I cannot wait to just be, you know, in this element, in this new chapter of my life, and being able to bring you all along with it. It's definitely exciting. And that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for staying tuned up until this point. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, be sure to turn on post notifications so that you know when I'm posting a new video. Be sure to comment down below what your favorite part of my apartment is. For me, I would have to say it's definitely the garden tub in my master bathroom. And then of course, just the vibes out here, the space, having a balcony, all these different things that I've never had before. I'm just so excited for this new start. If there's any types of videos that you guys want to see from me, especially in this new space, make sure to comment down below so I can get that out for you guys. And as always, I appreciate y'all's support so much. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and I'll see you back for the next one.